Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, in this video I will finally be listening to the remaining songs from Del Pochi EP, an EP which was released by Dubsy and Rishi Roy in collaboration. So I have already listened to Chal and I've listened to it like infinite times now. I love that song so much. So of course I will not listen to that. So there are 6 songs in total from the EP, and excluding Chal, I'm going to be listening to the remaining 5 songs, and I am on the YouTube playlist, so I'll just go by sequence. First is Mast Kalandar, then Shunda Mandi, then Rakhlo, Sajna, Sonia. Very excited to listen to the sound, the music, how it is. Chal was so beautiful, a really beautiful romantic song. I absolutely loved it. The melody, it was legit an eargasm for me. So I don't want to delay this any further. I will listen to all the 5 songs today. So let's go. Should have had some coffee or something. It's already sounding so good. Guys, I'm really excited. Okay. Good music always excites me.
क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, क्यों तू ख्वाबों में आए, क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए,
Oh wow, Dubsy!
क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, आज तुझको दिखाई निभाते जाए, कैसे वादे सारे तेरे बिन मिट जाए, निभाते जाए फिर भी वादे सारे, आज तुझको दिखाई निभाते जाए, कैसे वादे सारे तेरे बिन मिट जाए, निभाते।
You know what? I think I need headphones. I need the headphones. I'll just get them. Okay, I have my headphones on. Usually there's a mic with this also, but I'm just already using this, so okay. Let's go back again. I don't know why I felt that I really need the headphones.
Yes. क्यों तू ख्वाबों में आए, क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, क्यों तू ख्वाबों में आए, क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, आज तुझको दिखाई निभाते जाए, कैसे वादे सारे तेरे बिन मिट जाए, निभाते जाए फिर भी वादे सारे, आज तुझको दिखाई निभाते जाए, कैसे वादे सारे तेरे बिन मिट जाए, निभाते जाए फिर भी वादे सारे। मस्त कलंदर
Heavenly. I'm sorry, I'm pausing. I might in the CP reaction, but heavenly. Just using the headphones was such a good decision, because I would want to for every song reaction, but I have been asked not to by my doctor, so that's why I avoid it. But I can from time to time, but generally I've been asked not to. So, but for this I thought no, I probably need it. I'm so right. Yes. I'm gonna have a blast listening to this EP.
क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, क्यों तू ख्वाबों में आए, क्यों मुझे तेरी याद सताए, क्यों
It's over? Yo! Oh my god, it's over. And the next is Shunda Mandi. Listen. Oh. Okay. So what happens is when the mic is attached to that, I'm not able to like remove my earphones or headphones, but today I can to share my thoughts. What a start to this song. I mean, to this EP. I'm so glad because you know what? I had a lot of people told me that the songs from this EP are amazing. So I thought to myself, it was written in my reaction list that what all I have to react to. And this was like, I could have listened to it myself because I recently went on a trip to Madhya Pradesh. That was my first ever visit to Madhya Pradesh. I went to Khajuraho. I went to the Panna Tiger Reserve. So it was a great experience. And I thought to myself, because Chal was playing while I was traveling, and I was like, should I listen to the remaining songs from this EP? And I was so tempted, guys. I was so tempted. But I thought to myself, no, you know what? This is probably a reminder to myself that I need to listen to the entire EP. And I had promised myself that I will actually record it. So don't give in to the temptation. And I was like, you know what? The first music reaction after I get back, the one that I will record is this EP. And, oh, wait, sorry. And I'm glad that I'm finally doing this. And so happy that I'm making a reaction because this song was phenomenal. The melody, I'm assuming, you know, every song is kind of having this modern and classical, not classical, yeah, desi kind of touch. Every song will have that. And now I'm assuming that every song will have some kind of different sound because Chal was mid-tempo, very beautiful, and it had a different kind of rhythm. This was much more faster in its tempo, and it's a great vibe, something that actually gives off really great energy. But with the alaps, it just makes a really good fusion as well. Because Chal, I would say, is not really a fusion, like an Indo-Western fusion, not really. But this definitely sounds like that. Another thing, I don't think I heard Rishi Roy in this track. So, because I mean, I was trying hard to place his voice, but I couldn't. I could be wrong. Maybe he's there, he's harmonizing, or maybe I don't think I could hear him in the hook also. It sounded like a pure Dabzi track to me, but I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, please comment it in the comment section. But what a great intro to this EP, very energetic, and I think it sets the correct bar for this EP because Chal is a very slow, beautiful, romantic song. This also obviously leans towards the romance genre, and I don't know what is the theme. If the third song also is romantic right now that I'm gonna be listening to, then I will understand that the theme of this EP is essentially towards romance or sad romance or whatever it is. But loved this song, great energy, and I think here the fusion was good. Chal is more on the Indian beat style, but this definitely is a very balanced fusion of Indo and Western music. Plus, I love the beginning, the instrumentals of this, even for Chal, but for this song also, let's talk particularly about this. I loved the whole composition. The way Dabzi is singing with the instrumentals that have been incorporated is beautiful. It's actually bringing out the emotion even more. I think that this also stands for Chal. I know I keep bringing that song because that song is kind of ingrained in my head because I've listened to it so many times. Is that the way the singers, or I found out Rishi Roy is also a rapper. So essentially at core both of these guys are rappers, but they have amazing singing voice as well. So both the artists, the way they sang, here obviously only Dabzi and they're both of them, but the addition of the instruments makes their singing, like it enhances the emotion of their singing a lot. So I love that fact. Beautiful song, enjoyable, great melody, great composition, amazing lyrics, and the way Dabzi was singing this was just beautiful. If you've watched my channel enough, you know how much I adore Dabzi as an artist, and this is a good entry point for me to get introduced to Rishi Roy as well, because I've not heard him rap, or have I? I could be wrong. I'm always open to the thing that I could be wrong anywhere. So, and you guys are there to correct me in the comments. But I don't think I have, as far as my memory serves me, I don't think I've listened to Rishi Roy ever. So essentially, obviously, I know that he's a rapper, but this is still a good introduction to this artist for me because clearly he's multi-talented. So yeah, let's go to the next song. Okay, this song is called Shunda Mandi. Let's listen to this.
Gotta hold it down. Tell me it's true.
Yeah, even these little things like the musicality wise, even in the first one, Mast Kalandar, the way it started with the instrumentals, here also with this ad lib, it's really good. Very well composed.
Hold it down.
Oh, this seems fast.
Tell me it's true.
Yeah, this is the rhythm, like the tempo. So Dabzi has not sung or rapped in Malayalam in this, huh? I don't know if there's a rap portion somewhere in this EP because both of them are rappers. So it's all pure singing, huh? Sorry. I was just saying he's not going to rap or sing in Malayalam, but the next line itself is in Malayalam. Okay. My bad. Love. Love song.
तुझे हो रहा है प्यार सोनिया दोबारा हो तो क्या हो गया कुछ गलत नहीं सोनिया जो दोबारा तुझे प्यार हो गया तुझे हो रहा है प्यार सोनिया दोबारा हो तो क्या हो गया कुछ गलत नहीं सोनिया जो दोबारा तुझे प्यार हो गया टिकल्ला നമ്മുടെ കൽബിന്റെ ഒത്തുക്കാണ് പൂതിയുടെ അറയിന്റെ അടുത്തേക്കാണ് നമ്മള് കൂട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടുപോകും ഒരു കെട്ടാ കെട്ടി കെട്ടിക്കൂട്ടി തോളി കയറ്റി അലങ്കരി നമ്മള് പോയി പോയോക്കും ടിക്കല്ല നമ്മുടെ കൽബിന്റെ ഒത്തുക്കാണ് പൂതിയുടെ അറയിന്റെ അടുത്തേക്കാണ് നമ്മള് കൂട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടുപോകും മഹറ തന്നൊരു കെട്ടാ കെട്ടി കെട്ടിക്കൂട്ടി തോളി കയറ്റി അലങ്കരി നിറങ്ങാൻ നമ്മള് പോയി പോയോക്കും जो भारी सांस ले देख ले जो रूह से तू मिट गए हैं फासले കരാബിന് പോലെ കൊടി തോളെ ദസ്വ്യാക്കാന്റെ കത്തിക്കുള്ളൊരു മാലെ പഠിച്ചോനിട്ടൊരു വാരിയെല്ലും മോളെ ബൊമ്പന്ന ശുണ്ടമുണ്ട കൽബിൻഡോളെ നിർലാക്കനെ മൽത്തിക്കൊൾ തഞ്ചോടെ കനോത്തിന് വെച്ചുണ്ടാക്കാമേറെ ചോറിന് പള്ളിക്കറി മോടെ ജന്നെ മുന്തിരിന്റെ ചാര तुझे हो रहा है प्यार सोनिया दोबारा हो तो क्या हो गया कुछ गलत नहीं सोनिया जो दोबारा तुझे प्यार हो गया
Second time falling in love.
प्यार सोनिया दोबारा हो तो क्या हो गया कुछ गलत नहीं सोनिया जो दोबारा तुझे प्यार हो गया
Wow. Oh, beautiful. You know, when languages are mixed together this wonderfully. Lal mera rangini. Oh, I can't sing. Anyway. Oh, what a beautiful song. What a beautiful, energetic, happy song. And it's kind of like, you know, both of them are telling, don't be guilty that you're falling in love again. And this, of course, now I've understood this EP theme is love. It's love and it's having this open heart that you give yourself a chance to fall in love. These are the themes in this. So love is the basic underlining theme. Now it's happy love, sad love, that you decide, but love is the underlying theme. Beautiful song, so different. Now the third song is Chal. So Mast Kalandar, Shunda Mandi, and this, such different songs. And I loved that Shunda Mandi had a little bit of it's a fusion in the sense that this song has Malayalam as well as a little bit of Punjabi, Hindi. It's a mix. Though a lot of you have told me, people from Kerala, that because Dabzi is from Malappuram, so a lot of times what he raps in Malayalam also cannot be deciphered fully. Like, it's very difficult to understand. So please let me know if you understood the Dabzi's rap here, and if you did, please let me know what is the meaning of this. But essentially, listening to Rishi Roy's singing, I think what the whole song is about, that it's don't feel guilty that you have fallen in love again. So kya hua? Koi bahut badi baat nahi hai. It's okay. It happens. The past love did not work out. It's okay. But now again you found someone, you fall in love again. It's good. It's all good. It's all good. And I loved in the song how Rishi and Dabzi, like, there were two different energies here. They were not, I wouldn't say in the same zone, but very, very complementary. Like, Dabzi was more energetic and Rishi kind of brings in that calmness into the song with his voice. I think his voice is very soothing. His voice is very, very soothing. And Dabzi's voice, I always love the fact about his voice is his voice has this raspiness, this rawness to it. Especially you can hear it when he raps. And I think that was perfect. So that rustiness with his calm, smooth voice, Rishi Roy's calm, smooth voice, I think the two opposing forces were really, really nice. And it just, synergized the entire song so beautifully. Plus, it's very energetic, it's very enthusiastic. I loved the whole vibe of the song. Great music production. Oh my god, this EP is insanely good. In 3 songs, I'm telling you, 3 more left for me. Obviously, 3 more songs left, and 3 I'm saying, including Chal. Oh wow, this is amazing. And also, this EP has a lot of, now I know a lot of people don't like to use the word commercial, but commercial essentially is when it appeals to a much larger audience instead of a small sect who particularly love a sound. But that's why I'm saying it, that this EP, all the 3 songs that I listened to, has a more commercial feel and would reach more commercially to audiences. Like, it would be more relatable and more accepting to the larger audience base. And it's great entry point, specifically, like I'm saying, it's my entry point to listening to Rishi Roy. And I would love to check him out because I think he has a wonderful, wonderful voice. And it'll be very interesting to see how he raps. Now for Dabzi, I've already been introduced to him long back as an artist because I have been exposed to Malayalam content, Malayalam music for some time now. So my introduction to him was essentially as a rapper, so I'm quite well versed of how he raps. Little bit of singing, I knew that he could sing, but once again, this is a whole different level. The way he's singing here is just on a different zone itself. And I'm just so happy that this kind of project has come into fruition, and I would want more such projects to happen in the future. This is amazing. So Chal, obviously I'm not going to listen to because I listened to it this morning as well, so it's not a big deal. So the next song is Rakh Lo. Let's listen to this one. Sorry. I think the introduction to every song is amazing. I think the way the atmosphere is created for each song is absolutely amazing.
रख लो मुझे रख लो रख लो मुझे रख लो खो न जाऊं मैं तेरे पास आऊं मैं खो न जाऊं मैं तेरे पास आऊं मैं
Wow.
रख लो
Ooh, yes.
मुझे रख लो सफर मुझको नहीं लगता डर जो टूटा मेरा घर put the phone away हो जाना रूबरू फिर कर
This is a sad romantic song. This is still romance. I forget this beat. I remember somebody had told me this beat is called, because King has a song in this beat, Good Trip. Na, 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 na. Jersey beat. Jersey beat. This is a Jersey beat. Yeah, I remember Kole asking for what the name of this beat is. So it gives a very club kind of vibe. Sorry, I'm getting too excited. It's like it gives a club kind of vibe. Like, you know, you want to be kind of left alone. And I mean, when I listen to this beat, I always picturize like dim lighting, darkness all around, and it doesn't have to be like the bad kind of darkness, but like dim lighting, and it's a different kind of mood. I think I said this in the, you know, the song name is Good Trip. If you've not listened to that song by King, really nice song. It's a similar beat, which I really love that song. So Rakh Lo Mujhe Rakh Lo, it's a sad song in a way.
मंजिल है तू या एक सफर मुझको नहीं लगता डर जो टूटा मेरा घर put the phone away हो जाना रूबरू फिर कर ले दिल की बातें मैं बस सुनता ही रहूं I don't belong here बस तेरे लिए ही तो रुकना चाहूं मैं don't need another reason कैसे प्यार है overthinking every day पर तू संभाल ले
Wow, Rishi Roy, yo,
तेरा दिल दरिया मैं कागज का ना तुझ में ही डूब जाऊं तुझ में ही डूब जाऊं
wow. Oh, this is also in Malayalam. Awesome. So trippy, man. Love it. Amazing.
खो ना जाऊं मैं तेरे पास आऊं मैं रख लो मुझे रख लो मुझे रख लो
Wow. Oh, great. Okay, this whole EP has a huge variety in terms of musicality. I mean, I love, can I just also say the lyrics for all the songs? Now, 4 songs, 2 more songs left. 4 songs that I've covered. All based, the theme is obviously love, happy, sad, all of it. The lyrics are amazing. I cannot say for the Malayalam lyrics because the obviously subtitles are not there. It's only the audio. But whatever I can understand, the lyrics are beautiful. The way the emotion has been expressed via the lyrics, it's amazing. It's beautiful. The whole writing, the whole songwriting is just top notch. Like, this quality of EV, this level of quality is insane. This level of quality, I'm shook. I'm shook, but I'm so happy that these are kind of artists that we have, and that I am very happy and privileged that I am introduced to these songs, because it's been a while. It's been 5 years now since I have started YouTube. Not this channel. This channel started a little late than my previous one, but I recently finished 5 years. So the fact that I get to witness so many songs and listens to so many songs and such amazing talent is something that I'm truly grateful for, because of this channel. Because truly, I wouldn't have been exposed to so many songs if I was just a casual listener. If I was just listening on my own, if I was just discovering these artists on my own without any external help. The channel, you know, it's a two-way communication. You guys communicate about so many artists. There are so many artists that I read and I'm like, yeah, इनको तो मैंने सुना ही नहीं है, पता नहीं कब सुनूंगी, शायद एक दिन जरूर सुनूंगी, because way too much to cover too, and I also have a personal life. I cannot 24/7 be recording reactions, right? So, but the point is कि मैं जितना भी I have been exposed to in terms of new artists, music, new genres, I feel very privileged. क्या गाना है यार, ultimate, beautiful, no words, absolutely no words. All the 4 songs till now sound so different. Lyrics are so beautiful. They have nailed the singing, little bit of rapping also. Shunda Mandi mein just thoda sa rapping tha from Dabzi. And just the range of songs that this EP has given me. 4 songs, 4 different moods. I can listen to literally all songs that are so loop worthy. Usme se chal to I don't even know now. The rest of the 3 songs that I got introduced to right now, superb. Actually, depending on the mood, you can choose which one to listen to. Truly, it will bring. And you know, sometimes there are so many songs, especially romantic songs, are something that I absolutely love. One of my favorite genres, and it has to do a lot with lyrics. So, आजकल क्या होता है कि when it comes to romantic songs, truly, when the mainstream commercial songs I'm talking about, so many songs which are quote unquote romantic have the most basic lyrics, and I'm like, okay, fine, yeah, it sounds great, sounds really good, but you have the most basic lyrics, like fine, there's no emotion. This one has, so I think that is the reason why I have listened to Chal so much. That is the reason why I am obsessed with Chal, because of the way the lyrics just make me feel. And I think somewhere kind of the essentially Hindi film industry, because for me romantic songs usually was, the exposure to romantic songs were Hindi films, and obviously we had a huge indie pop scene when I was growing up. You know, Shan, Sonu Nigam, they used to release albums. We had, you know, boy bands and stuff, but everything is gone now because after Bollywood literally took over the music industry, Hindi music industry, and the indie pop scene is now coming back, which is great thanks to YouTube and thanks to a lot of independent artists all around. So these songs, like I'm listening to now, like songs like Mast Kalandar or Shunda Mandi, like they are invoking some emotion inside of me. Chal really invokes an emotion inside of me. So I love it. This is what I mean when I say that we need a really good romantic song. In fact, of course, not to discredit Bollywood completely, because that's what I've grown up listening to. Recently, Sayara is a movie that is going to release, a romantic film, and Metro, recent one. The songs are pretty good. I was like a breath of fresh air. Like finally some really great Hindi romantic songs. So if you have not listened to, I would urge you, if you love romantic songs, please, I urge you to listen to those songs. Yeah. Okay. So the next song is Sajna, and let's see how this is. This is less than 3 minutes, but great. All the songs that I've listened to, just amazing. Okay.
लौट के आ गए हैं हम तो लौट के, अब कौन से गिले हैं तुमको कौन से, सावन आया भीगने तू किधर है,
I know I'm gonna love it.
तूफान
All sounds great.
लड़के भी खड़े हैं,
खानों से लड़के भी खड़े हैं.
तुझको होने ना देंगे कुछ भी, ये इरादा हो गया, हम तेरे हो गए सजना, तू सीने से लगा के मुझको.
Oh my god. Okay, I need to calm down. I cannot calm down whenever I listen to good music. Hence the name of the channel. I have not exaggerated the name of this channel. I really overreact to music, but good music. Yeah. The name gets justified on these reactions sometimes, huh? Then I just get too hyper.
ये इरादा हो गया,
The drop is so good, that the beat drop.
हम तेरे हो गए सजना, तू सीने से लगा के मुझको रखना, हम तेरे हो गए सजना,
That falsetto he took.
तेरे हो गए
western kind of sound. Instrumental.
तेरी आदत हो गई है, सारे काफिर सो गए हैं, रोहाना सा हुआ ये जहां, मुझे आंखों में बसा ले, बरकत ही है वहां पे, खुराना में भी ये लिखा, जाऊं मैं कहीं भी तेरा साया ही पाऊं, कितनी भी हो तुम मेरे हो, बस मेरे हो यारा, मेरे ही रहना, हम तेरे हो गए सजना, तू सीने से लगा के मुझको रखना,
Crazy, the quality of songs.
तेरे हो गए सजना,
Unbelievable.
तू सीने से लगा के मुझको रखना,
Too short. Too short. Oh my god, the compositions are just killer compositions. I don't. This is the last song from this EP. Guys, these compositions are absolutely to die for. These compositions are to die for because. Oh my god, so beautiful, guys. This song was just easy breezy, lemon squeezy, you know. I mean, easy and breezy, beautiful. Oh my god, it feels like I've just discovered a treasure all of a sudden. Huh? Too late to open the treasure. मैंने बस ऐसे ताला खोला था, and I took one piece out, which was chal, and then I shut it. I was like, I'll deal with this later. I should have opened it sooner. Should have opened the treasure box sooner. So beautiful. Every song is just worth multiple listens. Every song is just worth multiple listens. If you are a fan of the romantic song genre, this is like a treasure. One treasure that we have gotten. Thank you so much, Rishi Roy and Dabzi, for collaborating, because this is something that I would really enjoy each and every time any song from this EP Sonia is. I'm sure I'll love it. There's no doubt about it now. No doubt about it. Like 5 songs, come on. The consistency of each song being so superior in terms of composition, in terms of lyrics, in terms of singing, in terms of instrumentals, in terms of sound engineering. So glad I decided to listen to this on the headphones, because like those integrate just details of the instrumentals and of these ad-libs in the background, so beautiful. I'm getting too hyper, but I can't help it, guys. I cannot help it because it's so good. So yeah, this is the last song is remaining. It's called Sonia. Let's listen to it. This is a longer one, almost 4 minutes, 3 minutes 40 seconds, but yeah, quite the duration. I mean, this used to be very normal, me growing up, but nowadays songs are not even like 3 minutes long. Okay, let's listen to this. Yes! When I'm talking about the instrumentals, just the incorporation of these different sounds are. Oh, there's a female singer in this. instrumentals are so good. First, the song. Then you can hear a little bit of guitar, you can hear a little bit of flute. Obviously, the beat is there. It's so amazing. Oh, nice.
മനമേതോ കാറ്റിൽ പാറും കനവായെന്നാളം പോലെ നിനവേതോ നീറ്റിൽ പായാ മനതാരെല്ലാടും മോഹം അനുവായന്മാരിൽ മേലെ.
Oh, I like his I don't understand if the pronunciation is good enough or not, but it sounds great to me at least. You guys be the judge. You guys be the judge, huh? Let's go, Rishi. Oh, I really need to check him out now. Like his music, not him. I mean, him as an artist is what I mean.
തുണയായന്മാരിൽ ചേരാം
Great. I am losing it. Guys, I'm losing it. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I'm calm. I'm cool and I'm collected. Let's go. I might cry. It's so good. This tuk tuk is, they've also used a little bit of Afro beats here. Amazing. Punjabi, Hindi, Malayalam. What a great combo this EP is. Wow. It's like having a freaking 5-course meal. So good. Whew. Okay, let me stop this. That was an experience. That was such an experience of emotions that I went through listening to this entire EP. Mostly happy. I mean, it was happy always, and it was just going up and up. So I was at an all-time high, but it was going even further. I loved it. The last song was also beautiful. Oh, the Malayalam part is just insane. Beautiful. You guys have to give me some translation, guys, for the songs which were in Malayalam. I wish that they had released some visualizers with the captions. I mean, it's too much to think, but I'm just saying it would have been great because see, when you are releasing a multilingual EP, for its reach to maximize, I mean, it'll be great if we have the captions to understand the entirety of the lyrics, right? The Hindi part, the Punjabi part, I can still decipher. But the Malayalam part, a little difficult without the subtitles. And I just know how beautiful, at least I know for a fact how beautiful the lyricists are in the Malayalam music industry, because they write absolutely killer romantic songs. The latest obsession, okay. Mindalwala is my latest obsession because I cannot stop listening to that song. Mindalwala, na 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 na. What a composition song! I'm going crazy. It's a shame that I couldn't catch this film in the theater, because I mean, I am literally seeing every day that, okay, when is it releasing in the OTT? Because apparently the movie is not bad. So, yeah, anyway, that's a conversation for my other channel. But this EP was worth every minute, every second of my time right now. And this was absolutely like each and every song. I cannot, usually after listening to an EP, I choose my favorite and all. But honestly, for this, I will not, because I cannot. All the songs are absolutely amazing, beautifully composed, sung, rapped. The instrumentation, everything is just pitch perfect for me in this. It was such a beautiful EP. What a pleasure to listen to this, and especially because I love romantic songs. For those who don't vibe with romantic songs, obviously it's not for you, but I completely vibe with it, so I love it. Beautiful. So yes, that was my reaction finally to Del Kochi, the entirety of the EP. And let me know your thoughts, your favorite song, what you like, what you did not like about this EP. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And yeah, it's not for everyone, but it still has a huge commercial massy appeal. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.